It's so cold. The moon's still out. Shit. Oh my gosh. Look at. Oh, it's so pretty. In there. It's just like exposed. Ooh, I don't like that. Oh, it's. Ooh, that's so. Oh, I got Leah. Oh my god, oh my god. How do I, oh, he's at the top. Okay. Big day. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love him. And he has a little pocket. He has you can like put stuff in here. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I love him. Oh, there's something else, I think. Yeah. I got a lot of things. I think I picked up like 3 orders and I technically have 1 more coming. They just haven't, it hasn't arrived yet. So we don't need to talk about it. Oh. Oh. Ah, it's just the cute. Oh, I got a little freebie. Did I? I thought I got 2. Oh, I must have only, I thought there was 2 photo cards in this order, but 1 is, oh wait. No way, there is. Haha, I didn't see it. Okay, hang on. Oh. I didn't bring any extra holders, so they're gonna have to stay in here, but I got Han. I own this shirt and I'm gonna wear it to the concert. I'm so excited. And then I also got Chan. I don't have any nice ones of him. I feel like he looks a bit, like he looks good in everything, but they're not my favorite photo cards, you know? So I thought I would get a cute one. Plus it's got stars on it, which is fun. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, last thing. Oh my gosh. It's a jumper. Okay, it's like, this one? See the little, oh, I love it so much. Oh my god, where did he go? Where did I put him? Where did I put him? Oh my god, he fell. besties, new best friend. He's this is why I got a double bed, because I'm sleeping on this side and he sleeps on this side. Maybe I should sleep on the floor and he can have the bed. I think that seems right. Oh my god, they just finished the Paris ceremony. Hang on. I'm going out now. You two behave.
Platform 1 is delayed by approximately 3 minutes. This station is Regent's Park. The train on platform 2.
Oh.
Station is Regent's Park.
Look at the Jim from the face here anymore. He had never seen him before. He always come around after
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, so I have breakfast finally. Just like a ham and cheese, not ham, tomato and cheese croissant. And so I'm thinking, so the concert starts at 7:30. Well, it'll probably start at like 8 or something, because they always do. But I have to dye my hair, wash my hair, do my nails, leave enough time for like my hair in rollers to like really style. I have to figure out what I'm wearing. I kind of already know, but I did a lot of shopping, so I might change up the outfit. We'll see. Yeah, but I think that's everything. Oh, and makeup. I got 2 new products, and I'll probably only use one of them tonight, because one of them, it's not a primer, but it's a new tone-up cream. That my old one's pink, and this new one is white beige toned. So like, cause my cheeks are so red, I think I might use the beige one, cause the pink one just makes my face look a little bit pink. It's already pink. But yeah, that is the plan for the day. I'm thinking, so I'll get there. I want to get there maybe 7:15, 7 o'clock. It'll depend when the trains are running. At the moment, I'm just gonna have breakfast, except it's 12 o'clock, so it's kind of lunch. Okay, so I just looked at the train schedule, and I think I can either get there at 7 o'clock, or I can get there at 7:23, which would be coming in a bit close. But like, they're not going to start at 7:30, because no one ever starts at their start time. They always start like half an hour later. So I wouldn't be too stressed. Plus, like, it's allocated seating, so it's not like I'm trying to get like front of barricades. So I literally just have to turn up before they start. But also turns out that it's like 20 minutes of walking regardless of how I do it, unless I drive, which I'm not going to do. I'm just going to take the train. So I guess we're not wearing heels tonight, because I think I would cry. I think I could get there in heels. I think walking home at like probably like 11 maybe at night in heels, and I think probably like 8 degrees, I would just have a meltdown and cry on the way home if I wore my heels. So we are wearing the Converse. Yep.
Really just grabbing as much amethyst as we can before we go back to the nether and transfer it all over. So we're gonna have to min-max these. We need to devise a strategy. And the cool thing is, we don't have to worry about raiding the whole trial chambers, because it's not like
living in Sydney are giving us this amount of love. I really couldn't believe this thing. So maybe I'm the luckiest girl in the world. Thanks for coming. See you later, alligator guys. Bye. Let the pop rock with the love this deep. We don't need no sleep, and if
what they need to qualify. Obviously, not going to score anything from that trick, so we're going to concert𝜗𝜚.
Circle 5, dance half. First stop, Iran, then Aruna.
The second half is underway. Third quarter action between Ireland and conditions. Sun is out, the smiles are out, and a wonderful hockey game thus far. Govers and Weir on the board for Australia. Lee Cole in the second quarter, a penalty stroke goal by Blake Govers. And Ireland being tested in that scoring game. Brand sent Gibbon. Gibbon will come down the left side. Walsh. Zaluski wins the ball back for Australia. Ulex, the back line, and ball for Ireland. O'Donoghue. Down. Right side.
Oh, look at that, so pretty. I'm trying to make a really nice one because I'm literally making.
Helps. We can learn our own limits and try to be kinder to that. I think it's incredibly valuable in our lives and in our communities.
We
as
can do
much as
this.
possible to try to view rest and
Oh my god, that's so many people. Oh my god. I'm so hungry. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my gosh.